How to get Roblox Premium. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can get Roblox Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get Roblox Premium, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is simply go to roblox.com and you will see this type of interface where you want to make sure to log into your account. Since you want to get premium, tap on the three lines option located at the top left hand side of the screen. Then right at the bottom left, you'll find the option that says Get Premium. So tap on the Get Premium option over there. And after you've done that, here you can see Get Premium. So again, tap on it. Now you can choose whether you want monthly subscription or annual subscription or whatever else it is here. Then you can tap on the subscribe option here. Then once you tap on subscribe, you'll be able to enter your payment method with Roblox using a debit card, Roblox gift card, or credit card or PayPal account. So depending on whichever is comfortable for you, you can select those options. Then once done, you will be able to enter your payment details and successfully get premium. This way you'll be able to get Roblox Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.